Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. I'm your Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Volkswagen Taycan 5-seat mid-size SUV. Volkswagen India has finally revealed the production version of their Taycan mid-size SUV, which is expected to be launched before the festive season this year. We have already seen the concept version of this Taycan SUV at the Delhi Auto Expo earlier last year, and this production version of the Taycan is around 85% similar to the concept. The Volkswagen Taycan is based on the very same MQB A0 India-specific platform, which also underpins the Skoda Kushaq. Apart from the platform, the Taycan and the Kushaq will also be sharing a whole lot of tech and features, including powertrain and transmission options. Being based on the very same platform which underpins the Skoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan is also expected to be the same in terms of size and presence, which means this Volkswagen Taycan will be under 4.3 meters in length, while also offering the longest wheelbase in its class. And just like the Skoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan will also compete against the likes of the Hyundai Creta and the Kia Seltos. In terms of design though, the Volkswagen Taycan looks completely different when you compare with the Skoda Kushaq and features a typical Volkswagen design language. The front design reminds us of the Volkswagen Tiguan and gets a whole lot of chrome detailing on the front grille and some sharp design elements around the fog lamps. Just like the Skoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan will also feature body cladding all around, and the top spec variants also will feature 17-inch alloy wheels. The front and rear bumpers feature silver finished skid plates, while the silver finished roof rails also add to the SUV character. The rear design though is completely unique for the Volkswagen Taycan, featuring a smoked section running across the width of the car at the center, also including the single bar LED tail lamps, lending the midsize SUV a unique and funky look. The Volkswagen Taycan will get LED headlamps and LED DRLs on the top spec variants. And just like the Kia Seltos, there will also be a GT variant of the Volkswagen Taycan, featuring some red design elements on the exterior and brake calipers, with a slightly different interior treatment. The top spec variants of the Volkswagen Taycan will also get a dual-tone black contrast roof. However, unlike the Hyundai Creta, the Volkswagen Taycan will get a regular size sunroof instead of the panoramic sunroof. Volkswagen India has released a few design renders of the interior of the Volkswagen Taycan, which reveal that the interior design language will remain similar to that seen on the concept. While the overall dashboard layout looks almost similar to that seen on the Skoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan offers slightly more features and slightly different shapes and designs on the dashboard. The dashboard features a clean and minimalist design with trapezoidal shaped AC vents on the sides. The central AC vents are exactly the same units seen on the Skoda Kushaq as well and are located right below the 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system will have similar functionalities as seen on the Skoda Kushaq and will also offer Android Auto, Apple CarPlay along with connected car features using the My Volkswagen Connect app. The Volkswagen Taycan, however, will feature a different steering wheel design with steering motor audio controls and cruise control. Other common features seen on the Skoda Kushaq and the Volkswagen Taycan include automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, auto-dimming IRVM, keyless entry with push-button start, auto-fold ORVMs, front and rear armrests, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, 8-way manually adjustable driver seat, leather upholstery, USB Type-C charging ports for front and rear seats, wireless charging facility, and rear AC vents. However, a unique feature available only on the Volkswagen Taycan is the large virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster, which is likely to be available only on the top spec variants. In terms of space and comfort too, the Volkswagen Taycan is likely to be almost the same as seen on the Skoda Kushaq. In terms of safety features too, the Volkswagen Taycan will offer the very same number of safety features as seen on the Skoda Kushaq, with standard safety features including dual airbags, ABS with EBD, remote sensor locking, rear seat adjustable headrests, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and rear parking sensors. The top spec variants will also offer side curtain airbags along with ESP traction control with hill hold, a reverse parking camera along with front parking sensors, and smart key access with push button start. Just like the Skoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan will also offer proper 3-point seat belts for the center rear seat passenger. Being based on the same platform as the Skoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan will be available with the very same engine options, including the 1-liter 3-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine producing 115 PS of maximum power and 175 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The second engine option will be the very same 1.5-liter 4-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine seen on the Skoda Karoq and the Volkswagen T-Roc, which produces 150 PS of maximum power and 250 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. This new Volkswagen Taycan midsize 5-seat SUV will be launched by the July-August time period this year and will compete against the likes of the Skoda Kushaq, the Hyundai Creta and the Kia Seltos. Prices, however, are expected to be slightly more than the Skoda Kushaq due to the addition of a few features over the Skoda Kushaq. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this Volkswagen Taycan 5-seat mid-size SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.